Got these at Walgreens yesterday. They also had like ones with Santa Claus here. These are little bears. It says First Christmas. Yay! They are size infant 1, 2. You wanna wear your little footsies?
Mommy, I want the fourth floor.
Ah, yay! Oh, let's stop. Now it's my turn. Luna doesn't want to change her clothes. Do you want to change your clothes? Oh, you do? Oh, okay. Music.
Good morning. It's 11.
No.
It's 10:12.
I don't know. It's somewhere around there. Coffee and soda for me. Can never give up soda. Luna, where are you? Oh, there she is. Lila. Look at this. This floor is very sticky, slippery, kind of a. You can't even look at it. Like, look at that. Yes. Luna, you're so high. Careful, Mama. Yeah. Go this way now. El precio es el mismo. Nomás porque mira, estos tienen los diamonds are bigger and thicker, and those are thinner and smaller. Yep. Look at bigger, tinier and smaller. So that has more mesh, and this has more metal. Just the box is messed up. I would have think, yeah, este está más débil que este.
So we take this ugly box.
You're gonna use the box or the thing inside?
We're gonna take the ugly box.
I'm just saying. No quieres, le puedes preguntar si tienen otro.
No.
Piedmont.
A ver, Luna, te vas caminando. Should I really invest in that on the square one? Because look at how that one looks. It has actually detail on it. This is just black. Like black. Like black.
That's black too?
Yeah, but you know, it has more indentation, detail.
I can't pick that up, Luna. Pick it up, please. I can. shave it and do the same to the other. I don't know, whichever you want. You're gonna pick up.
How do you use this?
It's wood pellets. Look, there's a gold one there.
That one.
You decide. It's pretty, huh?
Yo te traigo esta bomba puertorriqueña. Yo te la traigo de
Here's my fruit. Ay. Here's my fruit. It has jicama, mango, watermelon, coconut, and pineapple.
What's that between your feet?
It's my Christmas present.
A torch.
Little. Look, I got the same for him. This is my Christmas present. Now that I have it here, he mentioned it.
More.
I got a ukulele.
More watermelon.
Kangle.
More, mommy.
Is it Tanglewood? Pride?
Mom.
Tribal?
Mom.
Spirit? Yes, I'm barely gonna learn how to use it.
Look at mama.
Yeah, it's mine. And yeah, didn't have a case for it. So that's why I'm carrying it like that. Yes. Thank you, Papa. Do you want another watermelon, Lunita? Oh, you already give it? From my cup?
No, for my cup.
Oh. I got it. We got it. Oh! Look, someone has top teeth. Look it, look it. Let me see your teeth. Na. Lila. Look it. Show me your teeth. Mom. Show me your teeth. Look it. Let me see your teeth. Look at those teeth. You don't want to look at me. Hi, Crazy. Lila. Lila. No, Luna. Look, you're getting your hair in the lollipop, and later you don't want me to brush it. Sticky.
I got it. Pull.
Nasty,
Go.
Lunita.
Go.
Sit down, please, Luna. Lila. No. No te enojes. Let me see your teeth.